Are you feeling stuck in a rut or drowning in negativity? Hi, I'm Dr. Laura Schmidt, longtime dentist, heroic performance coach, and co-founder of The Mint Door. And what if I told you there is a secret weapon for happiness, a positive outlook, and emotional mastery? It's not some magic potion, although wouldn't that be great? It's actually built right into your brain. It's called the Law of Substitution. And here's the deal. Your conscious mind can only hold one thought at a time. So when you're feeling stressed and those low energy thoughts creep in, you can crowd them out with something better. What? Super cool, right? You can crowd them out. It's all about replacing those negative thoughts with positive ones. Feeling overwhelmed? Take a look around. Find something you're grateful for. A cute plant on your desk, a supportive colleague who always has your back. Let the grateful flow just wash over you. Or crowd out thinking about the problem and start thinking about a solution, even if it's just one little thing to get started. Suddenly, that stress doesn't seem so heavy, right? The law of substitution. It's simple, it's powerful, and it's yours to use. So if you're ready to unlock a happier and more positive you, try the law of substitution. And if you like this tip, let us show you more in the Mint Door or check out the heroic community below. Cheers.